Welcome to the channel. Let's dive into the intriguing world of meme coins and see how they are changing the crypto landscape. So, whether you're a seasoned investor or just a curious newcomer, get to see the intriguing opportunity that comes with these Solana meme coins. Let's dive in.
Do you want your video to go to the top of YouTube on search results? No matter what niche you're in, you spend time making your videos just like I have making this one right now. And the last thing you want is no one to ever see it. You want it to be at the top of YouTube, and that's where ytranker.net comes in. Our sponsor has an incredible algorithm that allows your YouTube video to be at the top of YouTube guaranteed. ytranker.net uses cutting-edge techniques to allow your video to increase all the way to the top of YouTube. Once your video climbs to the top, you're gonna see more views, you're gonna see more engagement, you're gonna see more leads if you're a business trying to find clients. But most importantly, the world is going to see the video that you've spent this long making. Now, I could not do what I do without them. Every single video I pour so much effort into, and they make sure it goes to the top. It's a winning machine. So if you wanna check them out, ytranker.net, go there now. Otherwise, let's get back to the video.
All right, everyone. Solana is gonna be the year of the meme coin. If you're watching channel, if you can spell channel, if you've seen this channel or me talk about meme coins, you know I'm super passionate about it, looking for the next big ones, but you got to do that research. So always do your own research and due diligence, guys, and make sure that you don't invest in anything you're not willing to lose. All right, so we got the Soloxy right here with the crypto presale Solana layer 2. That means it's going to be super fast, super scalable, and you get some crazy staking rewards for passive income. 144%. Yes, and it's on Solana, as you can tell here. So how the heck do you get some? Well, you want to go and install a Web3 wallet. So go to phantom.app or Solflare. If you don't want to do that, you can always get trusty, handy dandy MetaMask, roll that up with some Solana, and then swap the pair. Or if you want to kick it traditional style, TradFi, pull up that card and rock that transaction, then get that staking because the APY is through the roof. And they got big plans with bridges, listings, deployments, and the breakdown right here to treasury, marketing, rewards, listings, and dev. Now, this started all the way back in ancient Greece. Plato talked about this. So did Da Vinci and my man Einstein, the theory of relativity. And we go to 2025 with Soloxy. And yes, you can stake after you buy on the presale, stake your token, get additional rewards, and rock that stake in here, boys. Get that passive income. It's Soloxy. That is our number one, but my number two, you probably heard him. You probably seen him. You're probably wearing a hat. Are you wearing a hat? Well, it's dog with a hat. That's it. It's a dog with a hat. But you got to remember, dog with hat is crushing it right now. Look at that boy. He's ready to go. He's ready to roll. My man, dog with... That boy rocks the hat all right. And he ain't that serious, although he is supreme. So, if you haven't heard of Dog with Hat, this is a big one. This has been out actually for a while, but I still think it has relevance. Just because it's been out for a minute does not mean you should discard it, because it's not just a crypto. This is a futuristic transaction for a beacon for those who think ahead. And if you think ahead, you put on a hat and you would check Dog with Hat out. It's on the ETH blockchain. You can see that right here. So if you want to get some whiff, get some on. Oh, wait, no, it's on Solana. Good choice. Over 4,272 transactions, 240 billion transactions going. The chain used for with Hat. So if you're ready to munch, you're ready to crush it, Dog with Hat. I bet a lot of you have seen this. If you have not, let me know. But definitely a lot of people know about Dog with Hat. Some people made tons of money. Like they crushed it on this bad boy. They crushed it with the hat. They're probably wearing a pretty big hat right now because Dog with Hat really did help a lot of people. Though we have some spikes and dips here, sure it'll pick up, and you can check out the chart right here and vibe with them on Telegram and Twitter. And for number one, the Mind, we got the robotic Pepe. Now, you can get that with your card. You can buy with crypto. What is this? This is intelligence. We are a hive mind, but don't worry, we will not assimilate you. We will just talk about it right here. So It says AI agents. You probably use ChatGPT and all that type of stuff, but these are specific agents for different types of things. And the Mind of Pepe is doing all that stuff, getting meme coins, getting discussions out, and giving you a unique advantage. With presale holders and buyers, it gives you the front row seat of evolution, so you can get the biggest value out there. They got some big tech plans with market trend, holder, token development, AI agents on X, and the AI agent marketing rewards, dev exchanges. How you buy it? Well, it's simple. You get a wallet. They like best wallet as well. Get any wallet you're comfortable with, I say. You buy with crypto. You can do MetaMask, Wallet Connect, Coinbase, whatever works, whatever rocks your boat. Or ask your AI agent what wallet you could get. You see what I did there? Add some crypto and a stakey stake. Get that passive income. And one thing I really like about this and Soloxy is you can stake so you can get passive income. And this is going to be really good. Why is this so powerful? Because the staking rewards occur at a rate of 1,332 per ETH block and will be dispersed over 3 years. You get 294 staking rewards, just like my man Soloxy, 144. So that's it. Soloxy with hat and the mind. Yes, the great mind of Pepe. Which one was your favorite? Let me know down below. Are you looking at Solana Meme Coins? Which ones are you looking at? I'd be interested to know. And if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to know when I post more videos. Questions or comments, let me know down below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.